I-EFF ifuna kuphendula i-DA mayelana nokudlula emhlabeni kwabantu abahaqwa isifo sohudo eHammanskraal. Kusenjalo, imeya yaseTshwane yenqabile ukuphuza amanzi ngenkathi i-EFF inxusa ukubiwa phuze nayo. Lokhu kwenzeke emva kokuthi uBrink eveze ukuthi bawahlolile lamanzi abekwa amabala abangawuthola umkhondo walesi sifo.
We brought the water for Brink to drink that water so that he can get the taste of his medicine. Because you can say there's no cholera and then you want to hide behind.
This crisis has drawn attention to the long-standing problem of the quality of water delivered to the people of Hammanskraal.
Ngokusho kwezakhamuzi zaseHammanskraal, isimningi iminyaka ibhekene nenkinga yokungahlinzekwa ngamanzi asesimene esifanele.
Really, Hammanskraal is disgusting. We are in a very, very critical situation. They always promise, they always say, but they don't act, they don't do.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uDavid Mahlobo uthi basaqhubeka nokwenza uphenyo mayelana nesimo samanzi.
We are continuing with the investigations. And in terms of the investigations, Iman, we must not rush and say that conclusively these are the results.
Njengoba siqhubeka nokukhuphuka isibalo sabadlula emhlabeni kule ndawo, izakhamuzi sezinokwesaba. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze SABC.